Let's make this English word easy for you in just 5 minutes. Ready? Let's start. And the word for today is matter. You might be thinking, I know this word. Well, it doesn't matter whether you know it or not. After watching this video, you'll learn something surprisingly new. Guaranteed. Can we define the word matter? Actually, it has few different meanings depending on the situation. But if I had to choose just one word, I would choose importance, or something worth paying attention to. You know how the brain works? It just adores, loves categorizing things, labeling everything and putting everything in boxes. So let's help it remember the meanings of the matter. Let's put it in the boxes. The first box, as I already mentioned, matter can show the importance of something. When something is worth paying attention to, like my morning coffee. It matters to me. It's important to me. But if my socks are mismatched, it doesn't really matter today, at least. I'm good. It's not important. And when someone says your opinion matters, it means you're important to them and what you think counts. Another box. Matter can talk about problems and serious situations. If I'm on an online session and suddenly Wi-Fi goes out, that's a serious matter. That's a serious problem. I would be really in a panic trying to get it back up. Hey, what's the matter with you? With me? Nothing. What's wrong with me? Your socks. They're not matching. Don't pay attention to it. I forgot. Another box. Matter is also used when we're talking about some topic or something we need to discuss. Let's discuss this matter later, okay? Bye. Classic. If you want to avoid talking about some topic, you just simply say, let's discuss this matter later. Because never later ever gets discussed, right? Another box I'd label a matter of something. Ever heard of a matter of time? It means something is gonna happen eventually, inevitably. It's just a question of time. It's only a matter of time before I finish this video and get my snack. It's for me? Like it? I love it! As a matter of fact, actually, I've been dreaming to have it for a long time. Thank you. A matter of preference or a matter of taste. Personal choice. Some people peel the apple, some not. It's a matter of preference. Personally, I prefer to peel it. A matter of concern. Something that causes worry. Me, having so many scratches all over my hands and arms after having the kitten is a matter of concern for my husband. And the last box, and it's my favorite. Under any circumstances. Did you guess the expression? No matter what. No matter what, it means under any circumstances, it'll happen. So I'll keep teaching English no matter what, because I want to see you succeed. You're here. If you've made that far and you're still here with me, it means it matters to you what I'm saying. Wow. So, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to my channel so that you can see more videos like this. It means the world to me that you value my content. And go ahead, use matter in the sentence and drop it in the comments. See what you come up with. And remember, it matters to me that you are learning.